Nalo Robo-advisor for investing full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Nalo are in the description if you want to check it out. Nalo is a robo-advisor focused on personalized, goal-based investing, combining automation with human expertise. Designed for both beginner and experienced investors, it offers a streamlined solution for building and managing diversified investment portfolios based on individual financial goals and risk profiles. Nalo's platform emphasizes the use of smart algorithms to allocate assets, balancing risk with potential returns while ensuring tax efficiency. This makes it ideal for individuals who want a hands-off investment experience, yet still desire a customized approach to growing their wealth. One of Nalo's standout features is its goal-oriented portfolio management. The platform allows users to set specific financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, education, or buying a home. Based on these goals, Nalo provides tailored recommendations for asset allocation and diversifies the investments accordingly. Additionally, it offers automatic rebalancing, which adjusts the portfolio over time as market conditions change, ensuring your investments remain aligned with your objectives. Nalo also integrates tax optimization, ensuring that your investment strategy minimizes tax liabilities, which can significantly enhance returns over the long term. When it comes to strengths, Nalo excels in offering a user-friendly interface with easy-to-understand investment options, making it a great choice for beginners. The automated management and rebalancing features allow for a truly passive investment experience. However, Nalo does have its drawbacks. While it offers a diverse range of mutual funds and ETFs, it lacks the ability to invest in individual stocks or international assets, which may be limiting for those who want a broader investment strategy. Additionally, there's no option for direct access to human financial advisors, which could be a disadvantage for investors seeking more personalized support. Overall, Nalo is an excellent robo-advisor for those seeking a personalized, hands-off investing experience. It's especially great for beginners or those focused on long-term goals with minimal involvement. However, if you're looking for more global diversification or direct stock investments, Nalo may not fully meet your needs. For more details, check out the links in the description. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert insights.